I do love some shots. AMD just demoed an unreleased 5.5 GHz Ryzen 7000 CPU, and it absolutely smashed the Intel's Core i9-12900K. Wow, AMD has finally unveiled its upcoming Zen 4 CPUs to fight against Intel's Alder Lake, showing off a pre-production 16-core 32-threads Ryzen 7000, beating the flagship Core i9 in a Blender render test. Completed the test nearly a third faster than Intel, more than 15% boost in single-threaded performance, and up to 5.5 GHz clock speed. And yeah, this will be the first LGA chip for AMD with a cool IHS and an included iGPU. Dang, Lisa should have been cooking. Well, I guess I'm done for now. Hit like and subscribe for more. Bye.